Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult. Clean a sprayer head on a kitchen sink. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Cleaning a sprayer head on a kitchen sink is an essential but often overlooked task. Over time, mineral deposits and grime can build up, leading to reduced water flow and poor spray performance. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to effectively clean a sprayer head on your kitchen sink. Materials needed: vinegar, baking soda, toothbrush, wrench. Step-by-step guide. Remove the sprayer head. Start by unscrewing the sprayer head from the hose. Use a wrench if necessary to loosen it. Be careful not to damage the threads. Soak in vinegar. Fill a bowl or cup with vinegar and submerge the sprayer head in it. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes to loosen any mineral deposits. Scrub with baking soda. After soaking, sprinkle baking soda on the sprayer head. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away any remaining grime and mineral deposits. The mild abrasive action of the baking soda will help remove stubborn buildup. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the sprayer head with clean water to remove the vinegar and baking soda residue. Make sure all debris is washed away before reattaching the sprayer head. Reattach the sprayer head. Once the sprayer head is clean and dry, reattach it to the hose. Use a wrench to securely tighten it in place, but be careful not to over-tighten to avoid damaging the threads. Test the sprayer. Turn on the water and test the sprayer to ensure it is working correctly. Check for any leaks or unusual spray patterns that may indicate the need for further cleaning. Maintenance tips. Regularly clean your sprayer head to prevent buildup. Use a vinegar and water solution for routine cleaning. Check for leaks and low water pressure, as these may indicate a dirty sprayer head. By following these simple steps, you can keep your kitchen sink sprayer head clean and functioning optimally. Happy cleaning! Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on clean a sprayer head on a kitchen sink. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality, but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.